Hello. In this video, I want to give you principles of getting 4 kg in 6 weeks. Number 1 is make sure you buy your chicken from a reputable hatchery. 2, get best broiler breeds. 3, get fast growing breed of broiler and hairy chicks. 4, let there be good and adequate biosecurity. 5, give them quality feed. 6, there must be consistent feeding schedule. 7, there must be a well-constructed pen with adequate cross ventilation. If this is the kind of video you like watching, subscribe, share, like, and drop your comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.